Hello, I'm doing a review on how to do the Easter egg decorating kit for Minions or with Minions. I'll tell you what's in the kit and how you can use it without doing the dye or boiling eggs. I use plastic eggs, easy for kids. The kit says that there's 6 coloring tablets, 1 egg dipper, 48 stickers, 9 fun tops, and 1 drawing. So I have the stickers. I have the coloring tabs, which we're not going to use. I have the egg dipper or holder. And the box is empty. There are spots back here in case you would like to dry your eggs, which we're not going to do. So here are the stickers that go on your eggs. They're absolutely adorable. I love Minions. They just have so much life and personality. This is what we're going to attempt to make them look like. I'm going to start with yellow one, and I'm going to find a sticker to put on it. I think I'm going to stick this one. Just happy and joyful. That's it. You just stick it on. And it's on there. It's cute. You can put several of them. There is no limit of how many stickers you can put on. Now, I will just show you, I don't know if you can see this, but the stickers aren't really sticking on. They're kind of coming up. So, I don't know, they might stick better on real eggs. I don't know. So when I'm doing this one, it would not be one that I would recommend as successful because nobody really wants their stuff coming off their eggs. Now I can try it on a chalk egg. Let's see how it does on this. Is a chalk egg instead of a, I don't know why it's called chalk, but instead of a plastic egg. Let's do the high five guy and see if it sticks on here better. So I'm doing a chalk egg and it's doing the exact same thing. The sticker does not stay on there or stick on there. So my assumption would be if it was a hard-boiled egg, it would do the same thing. It just doesn't have enough stick on the other side to keep it flat. Oh, but it did make a nice little print. So here's the one I was working on, and if we compare it to the yellow one, looks very, very similar. I'm not going to do any more because the stickers are not, well, I'll do one more. We'll see if I can get the stickers. So let's do the green one. We can do the monster. I don't know what this guy's called. We can do him. Trying to get him on there. Oh, I can't even get some of these off. We'll do this one. I'm not even showing you in the picture, sorry. And we'll put them down there. They just don't stick on. I would not give this a positive review as a successful because Here are the stickers, which are very, very cute, but the stickers don't actually stick. They roll up, which isn't enjoyable. It just means that they fall off. See, this one has already fallen off. They just don't stick. Maybe that was mine from earlier, but they just don't have a lot of stick. So thank you for watching. Again, it was only $1, but I would say this one is not successful. Thanks.